Hi there. Today I have my new planner for 2020. This planner is from Freedom Mastery. It is a law of attraction planner, and I'm so excited. It is actually my third year using Freedom Mastery. The first year I had this planner, and it was my first time using it, and I absolutely loved it. The designs are gorgeous. There's like a little eye right there, which is in all the covers, so that's pretty neat. In the beginning, I added this little printout that I got from the internet, and I printed it out because it said so much for the way I was feeling and how I wanted to just set the tone for my planner. And I say this because last year I did not put one in. And because I did not put one in, all last year I kept saying, well, I need to find a quote. I need to find something that makes me happy, or I need to think about on the front of my planner. But I never did. So this year I will. Okay, so let me see what else. I also added this little whimsical printout, which I thought was kind of fun. See, I wanted to show you, this is an example of how I used my planner. I used a lot of gel pens, I used a lot of color, I did some drawings, and I just had a really good time. Another thing that in 2018, this is 2018, it came with this map, and this map was inspirational as well. So last year it did not come with a map. So anyways, so this is mine from 2018. 2019 I got this one, and this is in a beautiful rose gold, and if you notice, the eye is still there, and this has astrology and things like that. Of course, in the front it's plain, did not add. But what I did different this year was I added stickers. I didn't do as many drawings. I did more stickers, like these little foil whimsical stickers, which I loved. And I would, at the beginning of the month, sort of put stickers around. So that way, when I went to fill in, it didn't look so intimidating because there wasn't anything there. And some of you may know what I'm talking about. Some of you may not. Let's see. And then I'd put them here, and I would just add them. I wanted to show you this because I added these bees, and they're kind of thick. They're like stickers, but they're thick stickers. And the reason why I'm showing you this is, of course, law of attraction. You think about things and perhaps they come to you in another form. Well, I did this in 1 week, and then the next week we bought a bee house. There you go. That was pretty fun. Never had a bee house before. It's a little one. It's not like a big bee house, but anyways. And again, this did not come with a map. So my husband printed out a map he copied it from that year, the year before, and I put it in with washi tape, but I wasn't very inspired with it. I hardly ever looked at it. So anyways, and then I added those stickers. I thought those were pretty. So let's take a look at what we have for 2020. This is the one I ordered, and they had a new color, which I was very happy about. And I will surprise you. I won't say the color, because also, wait, let me show you real quick. This has a white rim around it, and I think this one has silver. So that has like a silver shine. And I didn't really know these came in different side colors, but when I was ordering this one, it did. So I ordered I think the silver instead of, they had rose gold, but I chose the silver because of the color of the outside of my planner. I'm so excited about this color. Come on. Come on out. And there we have it. It is the most beautiful purple. It's almost like a deep purple, like an eggplant. Oh, and there is the silver. Oh, you can see how pretty that looks. See how it glistens right there, the silver. The other color, I think I told you already, was a rose gold, but I thought the silver would look best. Okay, good. Here is my strap. Oh, and look, this is new. It's where you can put your pen. So let me put my pen in. That's very convenient. That's nice. And it has some astrology. It has the law of attraction eye. And lots of beautiful detail. Okay. Comes with your eggplant strap to keep it shut. And then you open it up. And here's the fresh page that I cannot wait to find a print of something that inspires me for 2020. We have the satin ribbons that come in the purple colors, which I love. They're so shiny and soft. We have our quote from Gandhi, which is very inspirational. And then we have the front page that gives you your life statement that you fill out, and your name and your email and your Facebook if you have, or I guess you could do Instagram or whatever you have there. Here's for your notes. This is your law of attraction roadmap. For instance, when there's a lot of these things to fill out that are fun, that help you think of things that you want to do or that you're planning to do or you don't know what to do. So you can start off by doing it in an order, and this is the map that shows you. So the first thing you would do would be to go to page 16 and 17. And on 16 and 17, you begin your awareness and self-discovery. So 16 and 17 would be here. So you would start by filling out your answers, like how do I want to grow, and what is important in my life, what do I value most, and what does a successful life look like for me. And then it says that you can design and craft your vision statement. And it gives you directions on, according to your answers, what you must do next. So here is, of course, make the mission and vision statement, pages 3 and 17. So page 3 is where you would come back and put down the vision statement. So you wouldn't put this down first. It helps you explore it before you write your answer. And I think it also said 17. What is 17? Here we go. Okay. Set big goals, pages 18 and 21. So there's 18 about goal setting. And then here's 21 about your journey. So this is another goal-oriented assignment that you can do. 23 and 26 There's 26, where you're ready more. And then here is your vision board that you get to fill out. And it's fun having a vision board in your planner because that's very inspirational. So that's there. So the roadmap is what you want to follow because it sort of gives you an order. But you don't have to do it all at once. I wouldn't do it all at once because it takes time to think about these questions and answers. And it's fun, so don't try to rush it before January 1st. Or don't try to rush it by February. Take your time. And if you want to skip around, even though it's in an order, just do what you want. It's your planner. There are no rules. This is just a suggestion. Okay, so this is nice. Okay, so you have all of these, and then it starts off with every month it gives you the month in advance. So this is January, and they also give you this little bookmarker. So in January, it starts New Year's Day, and it shows the whole calendar month. And you can put many little goals here, or ideas, or a flow chart, or things that you are excited about that's coming up. So that gives you a space to do that. Here it says your feel-good intention, like for the month. What do you intend? Like, do you intend to drink more water? Do you intend to walk twice a week? Or some other people exercise 5 times a week. Anyways, the desired goals and the action steps to take. After you have the map in front of you, they then break it down to weeks, which is fun. So here's your week in January. It's starting at the end of December. So that gives you a few days before the 1st. And here, when you drink your water, you can cross those off or circle them. And every week has a little quote. Can you see that? They have little quotes and a to-do list, and just so fun. And then at the end of the weeks, you have a reflection. So you can celebrate what you achieved. You can talk about what you learned. You can discover what obstacles or fears you encountered. Super nice reflection. And then they give you 2 extra sheets of paper for whatever you want. And those are always fun. And that's how it goes. Here is the back, which has the map in pink for my color book. I don't know what color it would be on your book, but I love it. I'm glad it's included. It feels better to have it all the way included, so I am more inspired for that. Here is a pocket of stickers and goodies that they offer. And I did not use a lot of these ever in my journals, but I do use them elsewhere. And I think I'm going to use some of these. These are kind of neat. These are new. These are little calendar stickers. So I might use these in my other journals. So that's fun. Every time I've ordered one, they've offered me a thank you purchase, which is 10% off. So I'm going to offer that to you. So use the coupon code for any Law of Attraction planner. There you have it. LOA 10 off. There we go. And this is new. This is a survey they want. So I'll do that because I love this planner. Okay, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little review of my planner. If you like it, I ordered mine from Amazon. And they have all kinds of colors. But obviously, of course, I'm thrilled with my color. So, Thank you. And I think through my channel, what I might do this year is periodically, I will set my month up in advance and maybe add stickers and things. Before I get to the month, I'll just maybe dress it and maybe share some of those videos with you. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. I'll be glad to answer anything you have, or let me know what type of planner you have or what you like, and let me learn and find some new things as well. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.